was the love of my life. I always knew he was ever since we were kids. We did everything together. His name is writer Savage Jackson. He was my world, my everything.
We'll take our time, we'll be alright. If it's just you and me, yeah, yeah. No fight or flight, I'm by your side for eternity. I've been sinking, pressure sinks in, feel I can't breathe. Who is gonna rescue me? Silence speaking louder than words can. It's all consuming. Who is gonna rescue me? We'll take our time.